Hello everyone, this is Rachel from OrangeTee AG Division. Welcome to The Glades, a luxury condominium located on the new Upper Changi Road in District 16, a 3-minute walk to the Merah MRT. Today, we'd like to show you a one-bedder unit that is currently available for sale with tenancy. If you are single, young couple, or looking for an investment rental place, then we think that you don't want to miss out. Let's go! Located at Block 12, our unit is a 452 square feet one-bedder. Upon stepping in the unit, the first thing you'll notice is a very spacious and efficient layout, giving you ample space to decorate and furnish the way you like it. So right over here, we have this open concept kitchen with kitchen countertop, top-of-the-range appliances from Sqft such as hobs, hood, microwave and fridge, as well as plenty of cabinets and drawers for storing crockery. Within here, you also have your own concealed washer cum dryer from Whirlpool. That's our very good size. What I like the most part of this unit is this balcony. These balconies open out to a full-height, full-width frontage, allowing natural light and breeze, with no direct sun exposure, resulting in a cool and comfortable living space throughout the day. With its ample size, the balcony easily accommodates a patio set, allowing you to relax and unwind with a cup of coffee or entertain guests. This spot provides a perfect outdoor retreat. So coming in through the master bedroom area is pretty sizable too, allowing you to put in a king-size bed, side stable at the corner, and a full-height floor-to-ceiling wardrobe to store your fashion items. Over right in front of the bed, you have this two-seater sofa where you can sit here to watch your favorite TV programs. Next to the master bedroom is a bathroom. You do get a standing shower head, a wall-to-wall mirror cabinet, and a vanity top with cabinets. Now we've seen the unit, let's chat a little bit more about this project and the amenities. The Glades is jointly developed by Land Limited and China Vanke Co Limited, comprises 726 units and achieved its DOP status in 2017. These units are situated in 9 blocks, all north-south facing and between 10 and 12 stories high. The Glades' most notable features are the 3 sky spots, huge tree-like structures that light up at night. It also has many facilities, including a long and winding swimming pool that wends its way through the length of the development, gymnasium, tennis court, aqua gym, sun deck, outdoor fitness station, and children's playground. The nearest MRT station to the Glades is Merah on the east-west line, which is situated right next door. From there, it is 2 stops to Changi International Airport, Tampines Regional Centre, Jewel, and a direct train into the city in the other direction, which means that commuting to work has never been easier. If you drive, we are linked to both the PIE and ECP. For more food and shopping options, you can head down to Fengshan Food Market, Bedok Mall, and Thyssen Mall Bedok. On the weekend, surround yourself with nature at East Coast Park with just a short drive away. There are also a range of good schools nearby like St. Anthony's Canossian Primary, Temasek Primary, and Red Swastika School, all within a 2-kilometer radius. Did I forget to mention that there are garden terrace on 2nd level of Block 12 whereby residents can relax and unwind after a long day of work. Thank you for joining us on this home tour of the Glades. So there you have it, a very good sized one-bedder unit in a relatively young private condo nestled in a peaceful yet convenient location. Please get in touch with me. I'm happy to show you around. Once again, I'm Rachel from OrangeTee AG Division. I'll hear from you soon.